This is our CS 2420, our data structures class, and we're continuing on with our chained hash table. We're going to add the add method for our chained hash table. So I'm going to go grab the function prototype and paste that in, and I'm going to grab a scope resolution operator from one of my other methods and paste that in as well. And we're going to get this hash table so it can add items. Okay, so whenever you add an item for a hash table, you need some sort of key. And the key comes from my hash function. My hash function is just whatever value they're entering, and I'm going to use the modulus divide hash function. So I'm just going to modulus divide that by the size of my list, which happens to be called capacity. And so that will give me the position in my list where I want to add that item. So first I need to see if there's a collision in my hash table at that position. Because if there's a collision in that hash table, I need to chain it on. Now, since we don't have like with a linked list, we had a pointer to the front and a pointer to the end. It was nice and neat. This, we don't have that particular situation. We only have an array of values. So what I'm going to do in this particular situation is I'm going to create my new node equals new node of that type. So I've got my node created, and I need to set my information in. So node.info equals whatever item I am adding to my list. But that's just a new node. I still don't have the other information in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push everything back. Basically, I'm going to say my node.link is equal to the original position in that list of that hash table. So hash table of my key, right? So now my new node is pointing to whatever position is there that happened to cause that collision. So then once I've set the link to the next position in the list, I'm going to set my hash table of that particular position equal to my new node. Then I need some sort of size plus plus to keep track of how many values are. So this particular if statement is if there is a collision. Okay, now if there is not a collision, then all I have to do is set my hash table at that particular position equal to the new node. And then I need to set in the value, HTABLE, and I still need to increment my size. And that is it. So it's adding, this one's just adding it right inside the array. This one's taking and creating the new node and putting whatever collision is as its next value and then adding itself in to the same exact position in the array. All right, catch us in the next video and we will do a contains and a remove method.